The Anderson School is a purpose-built school for young people on the autistic spectrum. We are a secondary school, so we teach from 11 to 18-year-olds at the moment, but we have ambitions to grow beyond that and go up to the age of 25. The school was built in conjunction with Essex local authority, and we are particularly targeting those students at the able end of the autistic spectrum. The school campus has been very carefully designed to have wide open spaces within it. So the corridors, for example, are nice and wide, they're really high. The architects have worked really carefully to get as much natural light flowing through the building as they possibly can.
The design concept for the Anderson School really started with the site. It's a green belt setting, and therefore we looked for a building that would be sensitive in its setting. It bedded into the landscape and it made a virtue of the surroundings, looking out into the space.
The environment within the school is absolutely key to making the students settled and be able to engage with the learning. Whether it's just the pure layout of the room, the acoustic levels in the room, the light levels within that room, all those become barriers to our students be able to engage in learning. Lots of our students have issues around noise sensitivity. If they have too much stimulus coming to their brains, essentially their brains become overloaded, and that's what stops them being able to engage in their work. If we can create an environment, as we have done, where actually we remove all that echo that's within the room, the noise bouncing around the room, that really stops that distraction from the students, and then they can actually begin to focus on the work that they're doing.
The needs of the students have influenced the specification of the building products that we've used within the building. We were looking for an insulation product that had very good acoustic properties for two reasons really. One, to prevent flanking between teaching spaces and to stop noise transferring, but two, to stop external noise coming into classrooms and to create a calm and quiet setting. We specified ROCKWOOL insulation because it was the natural choice. It performed acoustically, it worked well thermally, and it was non-combustible, so it met all of our fire resistance requirements.
The response from students and staff has been amazing to the school environment. For the first time for lots of our students, they've been able to physically get themselves through the front door of the school because they feel welcome, they feel like staff care about them, and they feel that actually the environment they're working in really meets their needs.